Hi, Bruce from Safari, and we're in front of a brand new 300 series here, belonging to Rob O'Sullivan, and we're just going around the back. We put the lifestyle kit in the back of this. So there it is there, just standing back, everyone, and you can sort of see it. And Rob had some specific requirements of additional tie down on the top, so you can see we've put 3 tie downs on here, putting his chairs here, additional table there. And we've added the Vitrafrigo in this time, and it's running in freezer mode. There's our temperature puck in there. We're charging from Scotty. We've got the whole system running here. Outlets here, double induction down the bottom here. You can see pulling out. That's all down there. Table in here, and then a big drawer in here with the slide top. So that slides back, and we get access down below. And then on the side here, we've got the compressor. Turn that on, plug in for the air and our switches. Lights at the back there, so there's the white, and then if I switch that on, there's the amber. So it really comes in very nicely at the back. And let's just walk in and have a look in the back here. So we've got the power outlet here for the Kimberley Karavan. He's towing the power inlet here, being charged, and we've got a 3000 inverter there, 400 amp hours of lithium, and so he'll be able to run the Caravan plugged into here. In addition to that, running the fridge and running the double induction. And I've got to say, how good's that?